Hey there YouTube. Right, it's another quick fix which I'm doing today. As you can see, the spring on our sofa has snapped. See, it's supposed to go there. Two of them are snapped actually, but I don't know where I can get one of these from at short notice, so I'm just going to do a quick fix. As you can see, I've done one here. All that you need is a little bit of twine, or a long bit of twine actually, and then where the break on this one was, which was here, I tied a couple of loops around there, and then pulled a taut to this one, the second hoop here, and then pulled it hard, and then wrapped it, and then tied it, and then I took it from here all the way up to this one here, and again wrapped it round there, down to there, and then wrapped it, and then tied it, and then the same down here, as you can see. So now, as you can see, that is a really good strong, really pull on that, there you go, really good strong bond. Now I've ordered 2 replacements of these from Amazon. They're about £4.50 each, and they come with the fixing brackets, which are these little babies here. You get 2 fixing brackets and another one there, as you can see. So when they arrive in the next couple of days, I'll be taking this whole section out and this one out, and then replacing it with a 2 brand spanking new ones. So it's like this. I mean, to be honest, I mean it's a quick fix. If you were to take it to, or you'd call it a repair specialist out, they'll probably charge you, I don't know, £80–90 to do it. But I found a couple of quick videos online, and it's quite quick and easy by the looks of them to fit your own too, and a couple of quid each. It's going to save you quite a bit of money if you're confident in doing it. I mean, it's a good sofa. We've had it about 8 or 9 years. Don't really want to get rid of it. I don't really want to spend 80 or 90 odd quid and getting it fixed either. I just haven't got the money. I'd sooner spend a couple of quid, have a go doing it myself. And yeah, so I'm just going to tie this one up, and I'll be back in a second. Right, so as you can see, I've just tied this one onto here. I've just double knotted it, and then I'm going to tie this one down here and pull it taut. Now I can't do a holding the camera at the same time, but once I've tied it off, I'll be back. Hey, welcome back. Here we go. So as you can see, I've tied it from there to this one down here, and I've gone around and around and around quite a few times, and now what I'm doing, just to secure it, is wrapping it around here a few more times. I've already done it to there, and I've secured it to there as well. Here we go. So I've tied it again up to here, and then I've taken it up to here, and I've tied it again, looped around and around, even though the broken bit's here. It just secures and saves it from slipping off, and then I've tied it like around that way. And strong as anything. So that will do until my new zigzag springs arrive. And as I said, the zigzag spring replacement from Amazon for a couple of quid comes with the fittings, these fittings here. So then all that I need to do is just whip this one off. I might even be able to get away without putting this part in. I might just be able to whip the spring off, because they're quite easy to come off there, and then whip the spring off here, and then just put the new replacement spring on, and Bob's your uncle. So there we go, quick replacement. It's a quick stopgap until you can get your your new zigzag springs, saving you what, 70 odd quid. Well, I hope you like that. Give us a like and a thumbs up if you do, and I'll catch you again. Take it easy.